What in the world? Okay. Hey everyone, it's me right here, and yes, I'm in my room, which means I lost the 24-hour challenge, but I had no choice because we went to the mall and I couldn't stay home by myself. Bummer. I know we had nothing planned today, but we did, so yeah, but it was worth it because after that, I went to my aunt's house and I got these two because my aunt works at Michael's warehouse and they were having a sale. So, my aunt got me a gallon of white glue and a gallon of clear glue. This one has a little bit more, but just like, I don't know, like an ounce more, so it doesn't really matter. But I love clear glue more than white glue, but I never, white glue, what am I saying? But I haven't actually gotten the clear glue gallon before because they're $20, and like, I'm not going to spend that much on glue. Even though I spend around $20 whenever I go to the store, but I still buy like other supplies. It's not just on glue. It's like other size for slime, like glitter, beads, and like stuff like that to make it look pretty. Or like coloring or something like that. But yeah, so I never spend that much. I don't even think I buy like the clear glues in general. I've only gotten the clear glue quart size once. I think once or twice, and then the clear glue bottles like once or twice because they're also really expensive. The quart size are like $10 to $11, and the bottles, which don't even come with that much, come with like, they are like $3 or $4, maybe $5 at Walmart. So, and that's where I always go. We don't go to any other stores besides like Target. Target's really expensive. Target and Walmart. We don't go like Dollar General or anything like that. Plus, I don't think those really work because I've heard some people that say like those don't really work. So these are the only like basically places that we really go to have like stuff like that. And we don't go to Michael's, but my aunt works at a Michael's warehouse, so she got me these for a very cheap price. I'm not gonna say how much. I don't want to brag or anything, or like maybe make you jealous. I don't want to make you jealous. But yeah. Actually, you're probably not gonna get jealous. You're probably gonna clear them. But yeah, she gave me these because I was behaving, and they were a really cheap price, and I'm doing good in school. So yeah, I can make 2 gallons of slime now. But today we're going to be making, we're going to be try to be making the prettiest, not the prettiest, but we're going to try to, we're going to be mixing random things into clear slime. So let's get started. Actually, we're going to be mixing random things into clear slime and white slime. So that's why I have here a cup for the clear slime and a plate for the white slime. So let's get started. Oh god. Alright, so we're going to start with the clear slime, and we're going to go ahead and pour some clear glue in there. These are really heavy. Okay. Ready? We have bubbles up top. Okay. I think I put that in that clear glue. But now we're going to add a cup of water so it can make it a little bit bigger. So let me, dang it, I forgot the water. I'll be right back. Oh. Alright. Let me just set you. Alright. I'm pretty sure you can see right there. Hopefully you can. I'm going to show you the slime afterwards anyway once I'm done making it, but I really hope you can see. You may not see my head, but hope you can see this. So, oh god, and I also forgot my mixing tool. Anyway, so we're gonna pour some of it in. Just that much, because I don't want to pour that much. This is also for the white glue too. So I'm gonna go get a mixing spoon or mixing tool. I'm gonna use this. Got a popsicle stick, and we're gonna make this a pretty color. I just don't know. I don't want to use. The thing is, I want to make it pink, but I do have pink food coloring, but it's like all messy. Like there's a bunch of pink food coloring all around it, and I can't use paint because paint, it's not gonna make it like clear anymore because it's paint. So I think I'm gonna make it purple. So I'm gonna go get my food coloring. I keep forgetting everything, and now I don't know where my food coloring is. Oh god, think. I don't know where my food coloring is. Oh god. This is a big mess. I don't know. Actually, we're going to leave it clear. I think that's going to be prettier so you can see everything inside it. Actually, yeah. We're going to leave it clear, and now I'm going to go ahead and activate it. My activator's right here. Okay. I honestly don't know where my food coloring. I have an idea where it might be, but I'm not for sure. But let me just activate this. Actually, I think I'm just going to do the clear slime for this video because, yeah, it's going to take way too long. And I only have a 15-minute limit for my videos. So, I'll be right back when I'm done making this slime. Alright, I am finished. Okay, I am finished with my slime. Oh my gosh, what is this? Okay, I'm gonna change the lighting. I'm sorry. Alright, so we're gonna be adding a whole bunch of random stuff. So one of the things that we are going to be adding is, hold on, let me go get it. Oh my gosh, I'm not prepared for this. I should have prepared. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. Alright, so I have 4 things to add. They're not really random. They're just like, I don't know if you would put them in slime. Obviously, you would, my items, you would, but I don't know. The first thing is glow in the dark powder. The second thing is bubbles. Then Orbeez. And then some cubes. So the first thing is I already put in the cubes. So these are the cubes. Oh my gosh. This slime is extra sticky. Okay, so we're going to be, usually you would add a whole bunch of things in one, but we're just going to add them all at once. Go ahead and add this glow in the dark powder. I've been waiting to use this, and this is glow in the dark powder. And this was in a slime kit, specifically a glow in the dark slime kit from Slimy Glue, I think. I don't know. I had a whole bunch of random stuff. I have no idea, honestly. But yeah, so I Hopefully it doesn't change the color because I want it to still be clear. But anyway, now we're going to go ahead and put in some clear Orbeez. Specifically, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 Orbeez. And now we're going to go ahead and mix those in. Now we're going to add some bubbles. Specifically, brand new Bubble Fun bubbles. Pink bubbles. I think the container is just pink. I don't think the actual bubbles are pink, but we're about to find out. Yeah, I think it's just actually, yeah. I just think oh my gosh, I need help. Alright, so I got this open. Okay. I don't know what this does, the slime. I've never put it on a slime before. Never, ever, ever. So I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if it might melt. I don't know if it get hard. I don't know what's gonna happen, to be honest. I have no idea, and okay, I'm pretty sure it's gonna melt it because it's getting really sticky. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm just adding. I think that's actually pretty random because I don't think I've seen anyone put bubbles in slime. But it's not going well. That's all I can say. Okay. Alright, I'm going to take off my ring so I won't. Good. I'm putting some activator in the slime. And the Orbeez are falling out. I think this is cool slime. Oh my gosh, I should probably take the Orbeez out. Because, well, whenever they fall, I'm going to take it out because they're there's still 3 in there because I just took out 3. So there still should be 3 in there. I don't know if there is though. But yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And I'm going to do the white glue one right now. Well, after this video. I'm probably not going to do it right now. I'm going to make a couple slimes just for myself to play with. Well, I'm going to try to look for, another Orbeez just came out. I'm going to look for the food coloring, and yeah, but bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to give it a good thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to subscribe to be a member of the Bear family, and make sure to hit the notifications so you can get notified whenever I post. This is the 5th one. And this one's cut in half. And yeah, make sure to, I have a question of the day. The question of the day is, actually, I want you to hit the thumbs up button in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Are you done? Did you do it? Comment down below if you did it. If you didn't do it, comment down below hashtag couldn't do it. If you did it, comment hashtag I did it. I could do it, or I did it. But if you didn't do it, I'm going to give you 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's your chance. And yeah, second chance. I'm going to be doing that for my videos. And also the question of the day for today is, comment down below your favorite animal. Peace out. Peace out, Bear fam. Bye.